Dancing at the Blue Iguana is an American drama film, released in 2000, directed by Michael Radford about the lives of strippers in an adult club. The film was based on an improvisational workshop involving the lead actors. It explores the intersecting lives of 5 exotic dancers who work at a San Fernando Valley strip club, the Blue Iguana, and the difficulties in their lives. Plot: Angel, Daryl Hannah, wishes for a baby of her own or a foster child to take care of. But her messy, dysfunctional existence makes this an impossible dream. Jo, Jennifer Tilly, is pregnant, wants an abortion, and can barely contain her rage at the world. Jasmine, Sandra Oh, writes beautiful poetry on the side and finally finds a boyfriend. She tells him she's a stripper, but he maintains that he is all right with it. However, once he sees her dance at the club, he disapproves silently and leaves. Jessie, Charlotte Ayana, the youngest and newest stripper, looks for acceptance and love among the strippers and customers, but is eventually beaten by her boyfriend, leading her to drink and depression. Stormy, Sheila Kelly, is having an incestuous relationship with her brother. Companion documentary. In 2001, actress Daryl Hannah released a 1-hour companion documentary, Strip Notes, based on her experience researching her role as a stripper in the film, which is included as an extra on the Dancing at the Blue Iguana DVD. Hannah stars along with Charlotte Ayana, Elias Koteas, Jennifer Tilly, and Sandra Oh. Cast: Sandra Oh as Jasmine, Charlotte Ayana as Jessie, Kristen Bauer as Nico, W. Earl Brown as Bobby, Daryl Hannah as Angel, Chris Hogan as Dennis, Sheila Kelly as Stormy, Elias Koteas as Sully, Vladimir Mashkov as Sasha, Rodney Rowland as Charlie, Jennifer Tilly as Jo, Robert Wisdom as Eddie. Dancing at the Blue Iguana on IMDb. Dancing at the Blue Iguana at Rotten Tomatoes. Dancing at the Blue Iguana at Box Office Mojo.